So in this problem, they give you a function and they want you to find the derivative of this function using limits. So this is the formula to do that, and that's f x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. So all I'm going to do is on the top, all this means is that I'm going to plug this anytime I see an x. So I'm going to have this 8x squared, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to plug in x plus delta x where x is supposed to be. So this is 8x squared, and I'm just going to plug in x plus delta x here. The next one, I'm going to plug in minus 2x here, minus 2x, and all I'm going to do is where x is supposed to be, I'm going to plug in x plus delta x. Finally, I'm going to do minus f of x. Well, this is f of x, so all I'm going to do is just plug this in. And it's all divided by delta x. Now this is an important tip. Always put parentheses around these. Because, for example, when you plug in minus 2x, right, and you put that, you have to put parentheses, otherwise it's easy to make a mistake. Because if you don't, it's very easy to forget about this negative sign distributes, and then you'll only do negative 2x instead of distributing the entire way through. Same thing with this, very easy mistake to not, if you don't print parentheses, it's very easy to not distribute it all the way across. So always try to put these parentheses. So now I'm just going to take this one step at a time. So this function is squared. So all I'm going to do is just pull it apart. So that's what I did. I did this, and if you look, that's all I did. So this squared. So it's the same thing. I just opened it up. And then over here, all I did was I distributed the 2, but I kept in the parentheses. All I did was 2x plus 2 times delta x. And then over here, what I did was I actually distributed this negative sign so I won't screw up later. So I did negative 8x squared, and then the negative and negative make a positive, so positive 2x, all over delta x. Okay, so now all I did here was just split it open, and now I'm going to distribute all of this. I'm going to multiply all these through. So it's going to be x times x squared, x times delta x delta x times delta x, once again x delta x, finally delta x times delta x, which will be delta x squared. The next one, I just distributed the negative to all of this, so it's negative 2x and negative 2 delta x, and then I left this the same, minus x squared plus 2x over delta x. So moving down from here to here, all I did was add these two things, x delta x. I made 2 of them because since there's 2, I just made 2. And then I kept everything the same. And then what I did here was I multiplied 8 through the entire thing. So 8x squared, and then 8 times 2 is 16, x delta x. 8 times delta x squared is 8 delta x squared. And then I kept everything the same, minus x squared plus 2x, everything's the same. And then after that, what you do is after you're done distributing everything right out, and then making sure all your pluses and minuses are correct, the signs are correct, now you cancel like terms. So you look at this expression, and you see 8x squared, and you see minus 8x squared. So both of these are going to cancel. Then you see minus 2x and plus 2x. So those are going to cancel. So all you're left with is 16x delta x, 8x squared, and minus 2 delta x. Because remember, the minus 2x canceled with 2x here, and minus x squared canceled with 8x squared here. So those cancel, and this is all you're left with, over delta x. Now I just rearranged this. I just put 8x squared here, 16x delta x here, and then minus 2 delta x here. All I did was just rearrange it. Now I noticed that I need to get rid of this delta x, because if I substitute, the bottom will still be 0. So I want to get rid of that. So I see that each one of these has a delta x. So I'm just going to bring out a delta x. So on the inside, let's see, delta x times 8 delta x will equal 8 delta x squared. delta x times 16x will equal 16x delta x, and delta x times negative 2 will equal negative 2 delta x. So it matches. So then I can cancel these two. Delta x and delta x will cancel, leaving you with 8 delta x plus 16x minus 2. Now finally, you can plug in, since now you've canceled, you can just substitute right in. So it'll be 0, and then since this is delta x, it doesn't go here. So this will become 0, and your final answer will be 16x minus 2. I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.